So Hershey is getting ready for her annual function. So mauuna siyang pumunta sa school kasi sila naman yung mag-perform. Kami hahabol na lang kasi mga afternoon pa kami pupunta. Parang afternoon mag-start yung kanilang program. So meron pa siyang ginagawa, guys. Let's see. So what is this?
It's called Alta.
No choice.
And now she's putting it to her hand. So this is her feet. And then
See what happened.
So guys, look at Hershika's OOTD for the annual function. Wow. Guys, ihahatid ko siya sa bus stop. I mean sa kung saan siya susunduin ang kanyang bus. Kasi very sundar-sundar yung aming dalaga. Dito na yung bus niya, guys. Bye! Go na siya, guys.